Motorbike insurance versus learner versus commuter versus electric versus off-road versus track day versus short term. Which one is better for all riders? Choosing the right motorbike insurance can feel overwhelming, especially when there are so many options tailored to different riding styles. Most riders get this wrong by picking the cheapest policy without considering how they actually use their bike. The surprising truth is that learner, commuter, electric, off-road, track day, and short-term insurance each serve very different needs. Learner insurance is designed for new riders. It typically covers basic road use and meets legal requirements while keeping premiums lower for those with limited experience. If you're just starting out, this is the essential choice to stay protected and legal. Commuter insurance is ideal for riders who use their bikes daily to get to work or school. These policies often offer comprehensive coverage for accidents, theft and fire, reflecting the higher risk of frequent road use. Electric bike insurance is becoming increasingly important as more riders switch to electric models. It covers not just standard risks but also battery replacement, charging equipment and specialized parts that can be costly to repair. Off-road insurance is tailored for adventure and trail riders. It protects your bike during activities like motocross or enduro, where standard road policies may not apply. Track day insurance is essential if you take your bike to circuits. Standard policies often exclude racing or track events, so this coverage ensures you're protected while pushing your bike to the limits. Short-term insurance is flexible, perfect for occasional riders or when borrowing someone else's bike. It provides temporary coverage, often from a single day up to a few months, without committing to an annual policy. So, which is best for all riders? It depends on your riding style. Learners need experience-based cover, commuters need frequent use protection, electric riders require specialized coverage, off-road and track day enthusiasts need activity-specific policies, and short-term cover suits occasional users. The key takeaway is to match your insurance to your bike type and how you ride. Choosing the right policy ensures full protection, peace of mind, and financial security no matter where the road or trail takes you.